Guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I changed my old furniture and I gave it a new look with simply a self-adhesive sticker for furniture. So as you can see, my old furniture, and I just went and bought myself a color that I like, used the scissors and measured out the size for each piece, and I started my DIY project. Please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. And I took a short break to show off my outfit for the day. I don't know what to say about my experience. I really enjoyed working on this project, although it took me the whole afternoon. I kept on going until the last piece. So that's all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my DIY for today. Please comment, like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.